All right. So now we're doing freeCodeCamp, JavaScript algorithms and data structures beta. Learn basic JavaScript by building a role-playing game. Step 72. All right. So now that we have a cave location object, we're going to update our goCave function to call update and pass that new cave location. We're going to remember that this is the third element in our locations array. And we're not going to forget to remove our console.log call. Okay. So for this one, it's just going to be like these ones. So let's just take this update call right here. Let's copy it from all of 60 to the end of 59. And then let's highlight all of 64 to the end of 63 and drop it off like this. And let's change this one to 2. That way it's targeting this. All right. And so now that's the answer. I mean, look, yeah, that's the answer. Awesome. But the thing is, this is my first time doing this thing. I mean, it just came out a few weeks ago. So I think, honestly, this is getting a little miry, in my opinion. It's getting a little thick, like a swamp right now, especially for new people, in my opinion, because, I mean, I've never done this. So let's go. I mean, if you're done, if you're cool and you just want to go to the next one, yeah, that's the answer. Okay, great. Awesome. But if you want, you can stick around and we're going to go over right now what's going on right now with all this stuff so that we know why when we click go to cave like that, it goes to the cave. You know what I'm saying? All right. So let's go over it. So first things first, we've got the HTML. We've got all this stuff that we've already done. Let's go over here to this script again and let's reset the thing. Actually, I'm going to copy this so I don't have to do it twice. And let's reset the thing like this and drop this off one more time, right? So here this is the default right here. This is the default. This is what's over here on the HTML. Here's the go to store button right there, the go to cave button, the fight dragon. Here's the XP health and gold right here. And then here's this wall of text right here, right? And that's basically what that is right now. So we can get rid of this. And have we done any styles? Yeah, and then we've done all this style. We've got the purple color. We've got the golds and all that stuff. We don't really need to go too much deep into that one. But let's go into this script now. So the first part, we've got all these variables that are declared with the lets. These things that are going to be changing throughout, like the experience points, the health, the gold, current weapons, whatnot, right? And then we've got all these consts right here. And then these are the things that aren't going to change. I mean, they're going to change when we do the on clicks and stuff, but we're not going to actually change button 1 to something else. All right. We're just going to, change the actual HTML itself using the JavaScript. Right? Hopefully that makes sense. And these are the locations right here. These are all these things right here, like the go to store, go to cave, fight dragon. And then also these are the functions that we're going to use, like when we do the on clicks, all right? This is the initialize button. So button 1, when we click it the first time, it's going to be this, we're going to do the go store function, right? So it's going to be this one right here, all right? So the first time we click it, it's going to do the go store function, which is going to do the update, which is this thing right here. And it's going to put locations 1 as the location. I mean, and remember, this is a horrible parameter name since it's the exact same as the variable name. We could have put it like anything else, but we put that one, I guess, just to confuse us. I don't know. But anyway, so it's going to be locations at 1 when we click go store. So it's going to be 0, 1 right here. So we're going to change the location button text at 0. So it's going to be this stuff right here. And we're changing the exact HTML. Like let's click go store. This is an entirely new web page right here. Okay. And when we did that, it updated the button text on 0, 1, and 2. It updated all 3 of these button texts and also whatever the on-click functions are going to be. These are the default on-click functions, and then they get updated to this function for go store, this function, and this function. That's what all these are. And then it also updates the text to this stuff. So like I said, this is a completely different HTML page than this one, and then this one, and then this one. These are all different web pages. They all have different web addresses and everything, all right? So that's basically what's going on so far. I mean, I don't think we need to go through each one of these. I mean, it's pretty much a repeat. This is one web page. This is one web page. This is one web page. And these are all going to be web pages. And that's pretty much what's going on right now. So just letting you know, just getting you up to speed in case you were a little bit confused, right? So let's go to check the code. Looks good. And submit it. All right. Now we're on to step 73. And we'll see you next time.